Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the latest legal developments across the country. Let's take a look at the headlines. Supreme Court rejects plea for consular access in case of Indian national linked with assassination of Sikh separatist. Delhi High Court closes contempt proceedings against author Anand Ranganathan in Moto case. Allahabad High Court implements groundbreaking automatic district allocation system for judicial postings. AAP leader Sanjay Jain ordered to pay ₹1 lakh in defamation case filed by UP minister. Accused cannot be compelled to disclose passwords of electronic devices, holds Delhi High Court. Now the headlines in detail. The Supreme Court today dismissed a plea for consular access filed by a family member of Indian national Nikhil Gupta, who is currently incarcerated in prison in the Czech Republic. Gupta faces charges leveled by the United States concerning an alleged foil assassination attempt on Sikh separatist Gurpatwant Singh Pannoon. Gupta's arrest came in response of a request made by the US government, as the plot to assassinate Pannoon was conspired on American soil. The charges include murder for hire and conspiracy to commit murder for hire, both the offences carrying maximum sentences of 10 years imprisonment. A bench comprising Justice Sanjeev Khanna and Justice Dipankar Datta stated that consular access, as guaranteed by the Vienna Convention, had already been granted to Gupta. The bench emphasized its inability to intervene with the jurisdiction and sovereignty of the foreign court and declared that the apex court cannot scrutinize the case on merits. Senior advocate C.A. Sundaram represented Gupta's family and raised human rights concerns, stating that Nikhil Gupta has been subjected to solitary confinement and denied consular access after his indictment. The counsel asserted that the assistance had not been provided neither by the Indian Embassy nor by the Ministry of External Affairs, and sought a directive from the court to the Union government to consider Gupta's representation. The top court, however, clarified that such matters fall within the purview of the government and the court could not issue specific orders. The court acknowledged that Gupta received consular access in September 2023 and had also approached the Delhi High Court where certain orders had been issued. The top court in December of the preceding year deferred the hearing on a habeas corpus plea for Gupta. In a recent development, the Delhi High Court has officially closed contempt proceedings against renowned author in a case initiated by the court Moto in 2018. The proceedings were initiated in response to certain tweets directed at former Justice S. Muralidhar of the Delhi High Court by Anand Ranganathan. The tweets related to Justice Muralidhar's order quashing the order of house arrest and transit remand and subsequently granting bail to Gautam Navlakha, accused in the Bhima Koregaon violence case. This is the same case of contempt of court wherein filmmaker Vivek Agnihotri and S. Gurumurthy, editor of a weekly, were discharged previously after tendering an unconditional apology. While Agnihotri was discharged last year, Gurumurthy was discharged in 2019. The court also directed 2 social media platforms to disable the web links to an offending article containing scandalous allegations against Justice Muralidhar. The counsel for Ranganathan contended that tendering an unconditional apology would imply an acceptance of contemptuous conduct. It was further argued that the present case was a textbook case of abuse of contempt. As being an advocate of free speech, he had only tweeted in support of the right of a citizen to make a comment. It was further argued that remarks made by Ranganathan were general in nature and not specifically targeted the decision to grant bail to Navlakha. A division bench led by Justice Suresh Kumar Kaith and also comprising Justice Manoj Jain decided to close the contempt proceedings, stating that after the initiators of the contemptuous content were discharged in view of their apologies, the pending proceedings against other parties, including Anand Ranganathan, were sheer wastage of the time of the court. We hereby close the proceedings, the bench ordered. In a historic move, the Allahabad High Court has utilized a cutting-edge software program for the allocation of 225 newly appointed civil judges junior division to various districts across the state of Uttar Pradesh. The High Court announced the move in a press release, highlighting the use of the automatic district allocation system designed in-house for allocation process to be conducted entirely without any human intervention. This innovative approach was successfully demonstrated with a single-click generation of the allocation list, conducted in the presence of Acting Chief Justice Manoj Kumar Gupta. The event also included consultations with Justice Anjani Kumar Mishra, a senior judge chairing the Computerization Committee of the High Court. The use of the software signifies a pivotal step towards eradication of human involvement in the intricate task of assigning posting stations to judges and eliminating potential biases in the allocation process. The system's automation ensures a transparent and impartial distribution of postings to judges. The press release also disclosed that a comprehensive notification detailing the posting done through the use of technology will be published shortly. A civil court in Lucknow has found Aam Aadmi Party leader Sanjay Singh guilty of defamation and directed him to pay Rs 1 lakh in damages to former Uttar Pradesh Minister Mahendra Kumar Singh. The order was passed by Civil Judge Senior Division Kamalakant Gupta, who emphasized that if the damages are not paid within a period of 2 months, an interest of 6% will be imposed on the amount. Sanjay Singh, who is currently in jail in connection with the Delhi excise policy scam case, faced accusations of making defamatory statements against Mahendra Kumar Singh during a press conference in Lucknow on August 8, 2021. Singh had alleged corruption by Mahendra Kumar, who was then the Jal Shakti Minister of Uttar Pradesh. Sanjay Singh contended that there was corrupt practices in the implementation of the Jal Jeevan mission by the minister. The civil court passed the order of compensation ex parte, as despite being served notice, Sanjay Singh failed to respond. The court held that Sanjay Singh's comments were made without any evidence or basis. In addition to damages, the court directed the removal of videos and printed material by Sanjay Singh relating to the minister from his social media accounts. The judge highlighted the delicate balance between the freedom of speech and expression as guaranteed by the Constitution of India and the reasonable restrictions imposed on its use. In a significant ruling, the Delhi High Court has held that individuals accused in criminal cases cannot be compelled to disclose the passwords of their electronic devices during the course of investigation. The case involved a person accused of orchestrating call centers in India, engaged in defrauding US citizens of approximately $20 million through scam phone calls. Justice Saurabh Banerjee, delivering the decision, cited Article 20, Clause 3 of the Constitution of India and affirmed that no person accused of an offence can be forced to be a witness against themselves. The court further stated that while cooperation from the accused during investigation is expected, it should not infringe upon the constitutional rights. The court in furtherance granted bail to the accused. The bail plea was, however, opposed by the Central Bureau of Investigation, which argued that the accused was a key figure behind the fraudulent scam, and the investigating agency awaited access to passwords to unlock devices containing material evidence. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. And subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.